how to add cookies pop-up in WordPress. To add cookies pop-up in WordPress, first of all, log into your WordPress site's dashboard, where you want, let's say, a cookie pop-up to be able to give to your visitors whenever they open your website. Once you're inside the dashboard, we're going to use a plugin to do this. So from the bottom left, you can go to the plugins tab. Once you go to plugins, simply search for a plugin which is Cookie Consent. Once you search for that, you'll find many cookies application right here. But the ones that you want to use is the one called Cookie Consent itself. Now it might show up in some of it might not show up. If you don't find it, you can simply search one with a good rating and a review over there. And once you've done that, you can simply add that particular plugin over there. You want to activate the plugin. It will get automatically activated for any plugin you want. Next time when visitors visit your site, they will be asked to accept cookie consent. So I hope this video helped you pretty much. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.